Are you working from the office in your hybrid work model? Step 1. Plan ahead by managing your hybrid work schedule on our intuitive calendar interface. Let your colleagues know which days you'll be available in the office and which days you'll be working from home. Step 2. Reserve your preferred desk and parking spot for a productive day at the office. Scan the QR code at the designated check-in point. Step 3. View your desk reservation details, including the desk number and parking spot location, right within the app. Begin your hassle-free day with DigitalHQ, ready to tackle your tasks in the office environment. Embrace the future of hybrid work.